Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to be going over Brendan Fraser's hair from The Mummy, and this is, a big haircut. A lot of people say he had the best hair ever. So look, again, with these types of haircuts, look at the length in the front. These types of haircuts, especially on this one, you need to make sure that the front is the longest point of the entire haircut. The top and the front section has to be long in order for this to be able to kind of part in that way. And here's a good example of the sides. Once again, you don't need to have a skin fade or super short hair on this, but you can see the hair around the sides can go around the ear. It's just the way that it's cut. And the way you do this is simply by, starting out throughout the bottom, cutting most of the length to that one point, and then bringing the top section down to that one area, and then you can brush it back and it looks like it's shorter, but then when you comb it straight down, it all falls to that one point, which is, right around the ear area. The top, I would say the front is slightly layered, if anything. Here's another example where you need to have that hair long enough, and everyone, oh, how long is this? How long is it? If you take that front section and pull it down, it's going to go probably to his top lip. Having straight hair is ideal for this. Doesn't matter if the hair is on a thicker side or even finer side. But another example of this is if you have the hair long enough, you can actually create some waves in it by adding, tidal wave, letting it air dry, scrunching it. So there are some advantages to having the hair longer. But as you can see, it's shorter in the back of the nape area, obviously, to make it look a little cleaner. And then it works itself up. But if you're going to a hairstylist, going to a barber, this is basically a center or middle part hairstyle with some length in the front. Just show them photographs. Don't worry about the name of this haircut. Just show them photos. And I would say go to a hairstylist for this. Do not walk into any random barber shop and ask for this type of haircut. You need to go to someone who really understands how to cut hair and shape it with scissors and stuff. So if you are interested in purchasing MMA products, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. And if you want to see any, breakdowns of haircuts, let me know in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.